welcome to Brand Mandir Singh Candy special live show. Today I'm going to show you these beautiful lightweight pattu sarees at Weavers prices. Let's start our show. Let's see the mannequins first. Back to our collections. I'm wearing beautiful and stunning color combination. Black, lightweight pattu saree with combination of orange and all over florals. Two varieties of florals vachayandi, very pretty with a beautiful kaddi border. And pallu chusidam. Look at the pallu, contrast pallu with florals and checks. Diamonds and round booties వచ్చాయి along with the pretty floral vines border and blouse కూడా మనకి ఇదే కలర్ లో ఉంటుందండి plain orange color blouse with border and ఈ saree pricing and details. Look at the pricing. Take a screenshot along with the code D528. The price is 6,720 and send us immediately on 733-733-7000. On the gorgeous saree. Don't miss our Mandir lives only. Mandir special sarees. Chala reasonable prices lo, weavers prices lo istunnamo. So don't miss. This saree vachesi lovely peachish pink with a purple combination. All over lovely leaf with paisley booty. And border vachesi complete maniki Paithani style lo vachindandi. Jamdani style, a geometric pattern, leaves kani, florals kani, everything is in geometric pattern. Contrast and beautiful pallu with diamond brocade along with the floral border. And blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Very lovely. Let me show you another beautiful saree. Purple purple and pink color. All over dotted booties vachai, long and short. And border వచ్చేసి down side silver stripes వచ్చాయండి with gold silver cutty lines red with edge contrast pink color edge వచ్చింది and kaddi pallu with polka booties from bigger size to smaller size along with the borders. And this is the blouse in the self color with border 1 inch kaddi. మీరు ఈ కాంట్రాస్ట్ బ్లౌజ్ తో కస్టమైజ్ బ్లౌజ్ వేసుకుంటే చాలా ప్రెట్టీగా ఉంటుందండి. ఆరెంజ్ పింక్ స్లీవ్లెస్ బ్లౌజ్ కూడా ఇలాంటి పట్టుస్ కి చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంటాయి మ్యాచ్ చేస్తే. And for customized blouses, contact our brand, R for Rukmani, and the brand from Brand Mandir, which is exclusive for their unique designs. Take a screenshot of the saree details along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000 and it costs 9,520. These are weavers prices. Just grab this beautiful sarees. Wow, beautiful stunning yellow with brown and green combination tricolored. All over beautiful leaf design కంప్లీట్ లీఫ్ బూటీస్ వచ్చాయండి. అండ్ బార్డర్స్ బ్రౌన్ క్రాస్ కడ్డీ వచ్చింది. గ్రీన్ కలర్ లో వచ్చేసి బిగ్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ స్మాల్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ వచ్చాయి. వెరీ లవ్లీ. అండ్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ పళ్ళు డార్క్ బ్రౌన్ with paisleys, huge paisley booties along with the floral border. And very pretty. And let me show you the blouse. And this is the blouse, contrast with border. ఈ సారీ ప్రైస్ కు చాలా రీజనబుల్ ఉందండి. మిస్ అవ్వకండి. 10,000 లోపు ఉన్నాయండి సారీస్ అన్ని. Just take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. These are pure pattu sarees, pure silks. Let me show you another pretty saree. Lovely beige and pink color combination. Very lovely saree. Complete body anta plain vachindandi. Border వచ్చేసి కాంట్రాస్ట్ పింక్ కలర్ ప్లెయిన్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద ఫ్లోరల్ వైన్స్ బార్డర్ విత్ మీనాకారి విత్ పైథనీ స్టైల్లో ఉంది మనకి బార్డర్. లెట్ మీ షో యు ద పళ్ళు. వావ్, పళ్ళు కూడా కొంచెం పైథనీ స్టైల్లో ఉందండి. రిచ్ కడ్డీ విత్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద ఫ్లోరల్ వైన్స్ బార్డర్ విత్ మీనా. And this is the blouse, plain blouse. You can custom made this blouse. And the saree price is wow, 7,600 only. And we take a screenshot and send us immediately on 733-733-7000. I repeat, Andy, silk sarees in reasonable prices ki ravu and beautiful designs and lovely combination. Don't miss this sarees at all. And the fabric is too good, very soft and lightweight. So don't miss the sarees. And the sarees itself lightweight pattu sarees. Let me show you another pretty saree. Wow, lovely lavender with the purple combination. Very stunning combination and very rare and stylish combination. Paisley with leaves, booties, and border vachesi Jamdani style border with florals and leaves. Beautiful contrast pallu with diamonds and floral vines border. And this is the blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details, here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. And the saree costs 9,200. Very lovely and lovely color combination. Let me show you another beautiful saree. Gorgeous green with pink combination. All over floral booties achai with kaddi border, golden kaddi border. Pallu is completely huge floral brocade. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Wow, 5,520 only. It's a pure lightweight pattu silk saree. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Super budget friendly sarees, Sandy. So don't miss the sarees. One more gorgeous saree. Beautiful. Orange and yellow mixed combination with a combination of purple. All over munia booties with meena. Border వచ్చేసి పైథనీ కడ్డీ border with పైథనీ style లో ఉందండి. మునియా బూటీస్ వచ్చాయి. Double munia border and beautiful pallu contrast with huge florals Pythony style florals and peacocks along with the border. And this saree blouse, plain blouse, contrast plain blouse, manchi peacocks design చేయించుకుంటే ultimate గా ఉంటుందండి ఈ saree. లేదా peacock and గునియా బూటీస్ అలా patterns style లో స్టిచ్ చేయించుకుంటే చాలా బాగుంటుంది. And ఈ saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely combination, very gorgeous. Let me show you another saree. One more lovely combination and red, brown with beige combination. All over floral, small and bigger size. Border వచ్చేసి contrast cutty border, both sides. Very pretty pallu. Cutty with alternate intricate stripes వచ్చేయండి, leaves, zigzag design, florals, very lovely. Along with the border, lotus border. And ఈ saree pricing and details. చెప్పాను కదండి, ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఇప్పటి వరకు చూసినాయండి 10,000 లోపే ఉన్నాయండి. టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. These are super budget friendly sarees and చాలా reasonable prices వస్తున్నాయి. And the fabric is also very lovely and lovely designs. And one more beautiful saree, fluorescent green with a combination of stunning red. All over booties వచ్చాయండి, gold and silver florals. And cutty border, dual double cutty border, gold and silver. Beautiful pallu, contrast pallu with cross diamonds and florals. And the blouse is contrast red color with border. Very stunning, very lovely saree. Saree price చూడండి. Take the screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. 5,650 only. Very gorgeous. Super shine and super fabric. Let me show you another beautiful saree. Wow. Orange color. Tissue saree. All over silver zari checks. And beautiful border. Cutty border. Pallu is cross curvy brocade along with the zigzag borders, silver color. And blouse వచ్చేసి self color అండి, but I suggest you to go for silver color. Silver కానీ ఇంకేదైనా కాంట్రాస్ట్ వేసుకుంటే చాలా బాగుంటుంది, లైక్ బాటిల్ గ్రీన్ ఆర్ డార్క్ పింక్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ సూట్స్. అండ్ రాయల్ బ్లూ కూడా చాలా బాగుంటుంది. ఇలా సింగిల్ కలర్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మీ వార్డ్రోబ్ లో ఉన్న ఎనీ బ్లౌజ్ మ్యాచెస్ దిస్ సారీ అండి. సపరేట్ గా మీరు బ్లౌజ్ కుట్టించుకోవడం మళ్ళీ ఎందుకు అనుకుంటే ఐ వుడ్ సజెస్ట్ లైక్ దాట్. నేనైతే అలాగే మిక్స్ అండ్ మ్యాచ్ చేసేసుకుంటాను. And take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. And this beautiful saree costs 6,880. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely, beautiful color combination, tissue saree. Let me show you another beautiful saree, which is in blue and purple combination. All over cross lines with silver. దాని మధ్యలో మనకి 2 varieties of florals వచ్చాయి, drop shape and oval shaped florals. Beautiful border contrast with elephants and peacock alternate borders with floral vines. And very lovely border pallu with blocks rudraksha along with the diamond brocade borders. And beautiful blouse, contrast plain blouse. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000 and it costs 9,920 only. Very beautiful. This saree detailing ఒకసారి చూసేద్దామండి, చాలా రిచ్ గా ఉంది. And do follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Brand Mandir page follow అవ్వండి. రెగ్యులర్ లైవ్ అప్డేట్స్ మీకు వస్తూ ఉంటాయి. సో 3 lives ఉన్నాయి ఈ సంక్రాంతి ఆఫర్ గా. బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీస్ వస్తున్నాయండి. సో డోంట్ మిస్ ద లైవ్స్. అండ్ ఈ వీడియో లైవ్ వీడియో విల్ బి సేవ్డ్ ఇన్ IGTV, ఫేస్బుక్ అండ్ యూట్యూబ్ అండి. మీరు 24 hours వితిన్ 24 hours ఎప్పుడైనా ఈ సారీస్ మీరు ఈ ప్రైస్ కి కొనుక్కోవచ్చు. Let's see the saree. Back to our collections. Stunning white, pink and green combination. Lightweight pattu saree. All over madhyalanta plain undandi. Upper side border plain ochindi. Contrast. Down side we got beautiful florals. Gold and silver saree. Mixed combination. And beautiful pallu contrast with huge florals along with the borders, petty borders, very with florals. Contrast blouse with border. Chala sober ga undandi saree matram chala classy ga undi. Ee saree price vachesi 6,960 only. Take a screenshot and send us on 733-733-7000. Lovely saree, stunning orange and brown combination. All over huge florals, intricate florals. Pallu vachesi stars and diamonds. Geometric pattern, contrast border. Pallu kuda contrast andi. Border ela vachindo manaki pallu kuda alage vachindi. Beautiful contrast, brown color. Blouse, plain blouse. 9,280 is the price. Take a screenshot and send us on 733-733-7000. Let me show you another pretty saree. It's beautiful olive green with maroon combination. All over diamond shaped floral booties. Downside వచ్చేసి florals వచ్చాయండి. Roses, beautiful roses with leaves. Border వచ్చేసి contrast వచ్చింది. Curves, kaddi with curves. Florals with edge contrast. Contrast pallu with florals, roses and leaves bunch in the middle. Very lovely kaddi border. Blouse is contrast with edge contrast. Contrast plain blouse with edge contrast. This saree pricing kuda 9,360 andi. Anni 10 lope unnandi. Grab this beautiful silk sarees at very reasonable prices. Lightweight pattu sarees. And fabric is too good and very soft. If you want to feel the fabric, come down to our store. It's in road number 56. Jubilee Hills near Padma Temple, and one more store is at Road number 10 Banjara Hills. Both are in Hyderabad only. And for more collections, do visit our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. Let me show you another beautiful saree. Wow. Yellow with royal blue combination. Very lovely and gorgeous color combination. And the body is plain. Upper side we got contrast border, plain border. Downside we got intricate blocks with curves, leaves and florals and stripes. Kadhi border. And very lovely pallu, contrast with alternate floral, zigzag, diamonds. The saree pricing and details, here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Wow, what a color combination. Very lovely saree andi. Green with black combination. All over body cross design with oval shaped and drop shaped floral booties and alternate borders, elephants and peacocks. Contrast pallu with diamond blocks and blocks. And beautiful contrast black color plain blouse, and you can design this blouse. And for designer blouses, contact our brand Arthur Rukmani. And e-saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot. 10,640 is the price. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very stunning. And e-saree also chusedam. And for customized blouses, contact our brand only, Arthur Rukmani, another brand from Brand Builder, which is exclusive for designing. And if you have any query regarding designer collection, just WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Our designing team will suggest you one of the best designs. That's it, saree. Back to our collections. Beautiful peach and pink combination. All over body, round booties and border chisi floral vines, kaddi with floral vines. And beautiful blouse. Kaddi with lovely florals, huge florals. And the blouse is contrast plain blouse. And e-saree pricing and details. 6,480. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Lovely orange and green combination. Complete Pochampalli style undandi. Lightweight pattu saree, but it's a weave. Complete design vachesi Pochampalli pattern undi. Ikat pattern. All over diamond booties. Border vachesi contrast black and green color. Black lo vachesi manaki drop shape booties vachayi. Madhyalo anta ikkad typical ikkad design vachindi along with the kaddi. And pretty pallu, contrast green color pallu with leaf booties, border, cross kaddi border and curvy brocade, curvy weave. And the blouse is stunning green color blouse with border. Very lovely. Unbelievable price. Take a screenshot of this beautiful saree along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000, and it costs 10,080. డీటెయిలింగ్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దామండి. చాలా లవ్లీగా ఉంది. మీన్ వైల్ ఇంకొక శారీ చూసేద్దాం. లవ్లీ గ్రీన్ అండి, వెరీ స్టన్నింగ్ గ్రీన్. వావ్, సెల్ఫ్ థ్రెడ్ తో మనకి ఫ్లోరల్ బూటీస్ వచ్చాయండి. చాలా ప్రిటీగా ఉంది. విత్ బిగ్ కడీ బార్డర్ డౌన్ సైడ్ and gorgeous pallu, contrast with leaf booties, cross kaddi and leaf booties and curves along with the vines. Very pretty. And blouse vachesi contrast with border. Very gorgeous and chaala baagundi saree. And the saree pricing and details, here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. 6320 only at the puttu saree. Indaka చూయించిన saree ఒకసారి చూసిద్దాం. Now back to our collections, and first of all I would love to thank you everyone and keep on supporting us, keep on loving us. Return lo chaala love and affection istam and beautiful collections tho మేము ముందుకు వస్తూ ఉంటామండి. Thank you so much for your love and support. Wow, my favorite black color with stunning orange and yellow combination. Very fabulous color combination and beautiful saree all over jewel parrots. Very pretty booties, jewel parrots with florals. And border vachesi kaddi with orange and yellow border, plain border. And very pretty gorgeous pallu with huge paisleys and intricate florals along with the borders. And the blouse is contrast with border. Very beautiful. And the saree pricing and details, 7,480 only. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Wow, saree andi superb ga undi. Very lovely. Don't miss the saree. Lovely peach, green and blue combination. Everything is light in color. All over paisley booties. Border vachesi green and blue color lightish shade with kaddi. Very pretty pallu contrast with huge paisleys with border. And this is the pretty blouse, contrast with border. Here we go with the pricing and details of the saree. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very pretty. ఇందాక చూయించిన సారీ ఇప్పుడు మరొక సారీ. Now back to our collections. Maroon with burnt orange shade. All over paisley with leaves. And beautiful Jamdani style border. Contrast. And beautiful pallu with diamonds and Jamdani style floral border. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000, and the cost is 9,200. Very lovely maroon and orange. Let me show you on the beautiful saree. Half white with green combination. Very is classy color. All over floral booties. Border వచ్చేసి కడ్డీ border both sides. And lovely pallu, contrast pallu. Floral booties and round booties along with the border. Blouse is contrast with border. And this beautiful saree costs 5,610. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let me show you on the beautiful saree. Mustard with royal blue. Very pretty saree. All over munia booties వచ్చాయి. And border వచ్చేసి కడ్డీ border with munia booties. Contrast. Beautiful contrast pallu with kaddi and huge florals with Paithani style florals వచ్చాయండి. ఇక్కడ peacocks అది plant booty along with the border, temple border. And the blouse is plain contrast blouse. And the saree costs 9,200. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very gorgeous. Let's see on the pretty saree. Pink with green, all over florals with meena, kaddi border and plain border ending with florals in the kaddi. Contrast pallu with florals and pasleys, huge pasleys and florals, and the blouse is contrast with border. And it costs 4,600 only. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. ఇలాంటి ఒక 4-5 sarees తీసి పెట్టుకుంటే ఎవ్రీ పూజకి కొనే పని ఉండదండి. సంవత్సరానికి సరిపడా తీసుకోవచ్చు. అంత రీజనబుల్ ప్రైజెస్లో వస్తున్నాయి పట్టు sarees. దివాళీకి, దసరాకి అండ్ వరలక్ష్మి వ్రతాలకి ఇలాంటి sarees చాలా బాగుంటాయి. Beautiful different saree andi. Checks వచ్చాయి. Royal blue with green combination, all over body checks, and very pretty border. Contrast with florals and lines, diamonds. This is the pallu, contrast with intricate lines, florals. And the blouse is contrast with border. Very grand గా ఉందండి, చాలా రిచ్ గా ఉంది saree. And ఈ saree pricing and details 11,410 only. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very stunning అండి, చాలా beautiful saree. Let me show you a beautiful saree. Wow, baby pink with grey and yellow combination. Very pretty saree. All over florals with small and bigger size florals. Border వచ్చేసి yellow and grey plain వచ్చిందండి with kaddi. And beautiful pallu, contrast pallu with zigzag brocade along with the borders, floral vines border. And blouse is contrast with border. And these saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. See on the beautiful saree. Lovely blue with purple combination. All over checks with floral booties in the middle. Kaddi border. Pallu is contrast with florals along with the temple. Opposite temple borders. And the blouse is contrast purple blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details 6,720. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Saree. Let's see on the pretty saree. Beautiful teal green with the combination of green. All over circles and triangle design booties వచ్చాయండి. And border వచ్చేసి contrast checks with peacocks along with the edge contrast. Very pretty pallu with lovely leaf and peacock borders. Blouse is contrast with edge contrast. And the saree price which is 8,880 and take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Show you on the beautiful saree. One more pretty saree only which is in blue color. All over self zari ochindi and akkadakada self zari to intricate lines with peacocks and silver zari peacocks kuda vachai. No border andi, this saree has no border. All over work ochindi. Weave, complete weave. And pallu వచ్చేసి సెల్ఫ్ కలర్ తో సెల్ఫ్ జరీతో వచ్చిందండి బ్లాక్స్ అండ్ రుద్రాక్ష along with zigzag. And blouse మాత్రం కాంట్రాస్ట్ చెరు orange color, plain glass, customize this and very classy and sober. Chala elegant for the saree. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. And the price is 10,320. Very gorgeous. Beautiful. Beautiful baby pink with sea green combination. All over leaf booties, contrast border with paisley booties and kaddi, and very pretty cross diamond brocade along with the paisley downside. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Take Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Lovely orange with blocks, intricate blocks, and both sides kaddi border, contrast pallu with blocks and florals, intricate blocks and florals, and the blouse is contrast with border. Very beautiful peacock blue and very lovely combination. And saree price kuda chala reasonable ga undi. Take a screenshot along with the code and it costs 5,520. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely. Let's see on the pretty saree. Wow. Dark bottle green with a black combination. Adriba in the saree. All over on the geometric pattern checks and diamonds, stars, florals వచ్చాయి. Complete geometric pattern వచ్చింది. And border వచ్చేసి paisleys వచ్చాయి. Geometric paisleys. Kaddi with silver. Plain border. Contrast, black color. And beautiful pallu with leaves and florals. And the border blouse is gorgeous black color blouse with border. Very pretty. And it costs 7,200. Send us on 733 733 7000 and screenshot తీసి మాకు WhatsApp చేయండి వెంటనే. Very gorgeous sample. అలాంటి కలర్స్ అడుగుగా ఉంటాయండి. Just don't miss such kind of sarees. Beautiful yellow, beige and red combination. Very pretty saree. All over geometric design వచ్చిందండి. Kaddi with geometric pattern. And border వచ్చేసి yellow and red combination. మధ్యలో kaddi. ఇందులో floral leaves వచ్చాయి. ఇందులో beautiful floral booties వచ్చాయి. Along with the temples. Contrast pallu, kaddi with geometric paisley booties. And blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Here we go. 11,680. Send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful saree, excellent, lovely saree. Let me show you on the gorgeous saree. Do visit our store only within. It's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills near Peddama Temple, and one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills, and the both are in Hyderabad. And we ship globally. International shipping ఉందండి. And within Hyderabad అంటే cash and delivery option కూడా అవైలబుల్ గా ఉందండి. ఈ సారీ వచ్చేసి yellow with wine color, complete paisley brocade వచ్చింది, complete paisleys. And border వచ్చేసి contrast wine color and మధ్యలో green kaddi with paisleys and floral vines border along with the temples. And very pretty pallu contrast with temples with paisleys, kaddi with paisleys. And the blouse is very beautiful contrast blouse with border. Here we go with the pricing and details of the saree. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Lovely purple saree. All over stripes వచ్చాయి. Geometric blocks and pattern. Border వచ్చేసి diamond brocade border. Beautiful pallu, contrast pink color with blocks, intricate blocks, triangular, zigzag and curves. And the blouse is contrast with border. And is saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000, 10,080 rupees only. Pattu sarees ante chaala reasonable prices kostunnai, so don't miss the sarees. Very lovely and pretty. Worth prices only. These are very reasonable prices. Lovely blue color lightweight pattu saree. All over purple zari to round blocks వచ్చాయి, round booties వచ్చాయి. And downside వచ్చేసి saree has no border, but downside we got very lovely florals with purple zari. And self color pallu with huge florals along with the blocks, border and florals. And the blouse is contrast plain blouse. And this beautiful saree costs 9,920. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very gorgeous. Very pretty saree, which is in maroon and red color, dark maroon. All over diamond booties and roses with leaves, and beautiful contrast cutty border with curves and along with the edge contrast. Pallu is very pretty with a bunch of roses and leaves along with the curves. And the blouse is contrast, plain blouse with edge contrast. And the saree pricing and details. And the saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000, and it costs 10,400. Very beautiful saree and lovely color. Any colors చాలా beautiful గా ఉన్నాయి. Dark and pastel shades, అన్ని రకాల colors ఉన్నాయి. And very lovely and beautiful fabric and very lovely saree. So don't miss this sarees at all. Lovely grey and dark green, all over floral vines and jal, and border is zigzag cutty along with the blocks, peacocks and rudraks, and beautiful parrots along with the lotus border and leaf border. Very pretty pallu, zigzag and parrots along with the blocks and peacocks. Blouse is contrast plain blouse. You can customize this blouse, and for customized blouses contact our brand, our Rukmani, and a brand from Brand Mandir, which is exclusive for the unique designs. And the saree pricing and details 6,160. Take a screenshot and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Beautiful saree at reasonable price. Let me show you another beautiful saree. Mango yellow with orange combination lo undandi, orange and black with green combination, tri-colored saree, and all over leaf booties వచ్చాయి. Border వచ్చేసి cross cutty in black and green లో వచ్చేసి florals వచ్చాయి. And very lovely pallu contrast with parsley booties along with the floral vines border. And the blouse is stunning plain black blouse. Very beautiful and ఇది స్లీవ్లెస్ చేయించుకుంటే ఈ సారీకి చాలా బాగుంటుంది. యంగ్ వాళ్ళు అయితే. And ఈ సారీ pricing and details 10,560. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 700. Beautiful grey and maroon color, very light grey. All over round and triangular booties. Border వచ్చేసి checks with peacocks. Pallu వచ్చేసి checks and leaves and vines, floral vines. Blouse is contrast, plain blouse with rich contrast. Saree pricing and details, here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 700. Let's send the beautiful saree. Gorgeous red with silver. రెడ్ అండ్ సిల్వర్ అనేది ఎవర్ గ్రీన్ అండి, చాలా బాగుంటుంది. దీనికి స్లీవ్లెస్ బ్లౌజ్ వేసుకుంటే రెడ్ సిల్వర్ కలర్ అదిరిపోతుంది సారీ. ఆల్ ఓవర్ మొత్తం రోజెస్ వచ్చాయి, లీవ్స్ అండ్ రోజెస్ అండ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ బార్డర్ విత్ ఫ్లోరల్ వైన్స్ అండ్ పాస్లేస్ అండ్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ స్మాల్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ ఇన్ చెక్స్ అండ్ వెరీ లవ్లీ పల్లు కడ్డీ విత్ బూటీస్, ప్లాన్ బూటీస్, వెరీ లవ్లీ. And beautiful self color blouse with border. I suggest you to go for silver color blouse. Chala rich గా grand గా ఉంటుంది and the price కూడా very reasonable, just 8,000 rupees. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 700. Very lovely. Stunning saree in Pochampalli ikat design pattern, lightweight pattu, yellow with green and black combination, all over diamond blocks and border chesi drop shape booties along with the typical ikat design and kaddi. Pallu is contrast with leaf, cross design and diamonds. Contrast black color with border. And this saree pricing and details, here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 700. Let me show you a beautiful saree. Lovely green and blue, all over checks with refraction peacock booties inside the checks and very lovely border with florals, kaddi with florals and zigzag along with the temples. And blouse is contrast with zigzag brocade and it costs 9,440 and blouse is plain contrast with rich contrast. And the saree pricing and details, here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 700. Let me show you another beautiful saree. Beige, red and green combination, very stunning combination. All over complete zigzag brocade వచ్చిందండి సారీ మొత్తం. Down side red color లో floral వచ్చాయి, beautiful rose with leaves, booties and down side green color లో temples వచ్చాయి. Contrast pallu with rich kaddi and roses border. And beautiful contrast red color blouse with border. And And the saree pricing and details, take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely. Beautiful mango yellow with pink and blue color, royal blue. Complete plain వచ్చిందండి బాడీ. బార్డర్ లో మాత్రం మనకి బూటీస్ వచ్చాయి, డ్యూయల్ పికాక్స్ విత్ ఇన్ రౌండ్స్. And beautiful pallu contrast with checks, hearts and round booties వచ్చాయి, diamonds, cross gaddi border. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. ఇంతకు ముందు నేను చూపించిన రెడ్ సారీ డీటెయిలింగ్ ఒకసారి మీకోసం అండి. వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్, వెరీ స్టన్నింగ్ సారీ. నాకైతే చాలా నచ్చింది. Now back to our collection. Last saree చూసేద్దాం. Lovely bottle green with maroon color. All over floral booties. Border వచ్చేసి contrast with kaddi and paslays. And pallu వచ్చేసి leaves with paslays, contrast pallu. Blouse వచ్చేసి contrast అండి with border and booties వచ్చాయి. And ఈ saree pricing and details, wow, 5440 only. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. అండ్ ఇంతకు ముందు రాయల్ బ్లూ అండ్ గ్రీన్ శారీ ఒకటి చూపించాను కదండి, చెక్స్ లో చాలా స్పెషల్ గా కనపడింది. ఆ శారీ మీ అందరికోసం ఒకసారి. అండ్ మానిక్యూర్ శారీస్ చూసేసి తర్వాత టేబుల్స్ పైన చూసేద్దాం. వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ శారీ. And we ship globally and international shipping only, and within Hyderabad cash and delivery option kuda undi. And you can visit our store. It's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills. Both are in Hyderabad. It's in the sun. Bottle green and blue silk combination, checks, very lovely saree. Let's move on to the mannequins. Beautiful purple and blue combination, sea blue. All over booties or chandy, floral booties, and it costs 8,160. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Next beautiful saree, lovely green, and just take a screenshot like that. And beautiful and sea green with peach combination, very lovely. And this saree pricing and details, take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Let's see on the gorgeous saree, which is in pink and black color. Lightweight pattu saree, all over florals vachai, and beautiful border with peacock booties, contrast border. And it costs, and the pricing and details of the saree, take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000, and it costs 10,400. Beautiful sarees and the reasonable prices cost nice Sankranti offer in the deepest prices ki maatrame. Just grab this beautiful sarees, never miss this light. Let's see the tables. ఇందాక నేను చూపించిన సారీస్ అన్ని మరొకసారి టేబుల్ పైన. If you missed any screenshot, just take a screenshot now and send us on 733-733-7000. Very lovely sarees kada. Inka sarees chuseda. Very beautiful sarees. Saree నాకు చాలా నచ్చింది. ఈ రెడ్ కూడా చాలా బాగుంది. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈస్ గుడ్ అండి. అన్ని సారీస్ అన్నీ నచ్చుతున్నాయి. సో ఎవరికి నచ్చిన కలర్ వాళ్ళు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి 733-733-7000 అనే నెంబర్కి. Lightweight, gorgeous, lightweight pattu sarees at weavers prices. So don't miss the sarees, and we ship globally courier service undandi, and within Hyderabad aithe cash on delivery option kuda undandi. And store vachesi Jubilee Hills, road number 56 near Peddamma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10 Banjara Hills. They both are in Hyderabad. So ee lives anni miss avakandi, Sankranti special episodes evi miss avakandi. And 10 o'clock live undandi, 8 p.m. live undandi. So don't miss 8 o'clock live. Beautiful collections, and ivi kuda weavers prices lone unnai. Ivanni Sankranti offer.
Videos are saved in Instagram.
And ee videos anni, live videos anni Instagram lo, Facebook lo, alage YouTube lo save cheyabadtayandi. So meeku 24 hours lo eppudaina meer ee saree screenshot teesi maku WhatsApp cheyochu. 24 sarees ee weavers prices vastundi, and especially live videos ki maatrame, and website lo ee prices ki ravu. Thank you so much for your love and support.